Is my forehead getting bigger? Is it getting wider? You see, a lot of women are experiencing the similar situation where they realize that their forehead is getting higher or wider. There are several factors that can contribute to a woman having a big forehead or a wide forehead. The most common factors are genetics, that means they are born with a high forehead, or due to traction alopecia. So, what can you do? At GLOJAS, we would suggest Smart FUE hair transplant to lower down your hairline. Is it painful? No. Is it safe? Yes. How many sessions are required to do this procedure? 1. It's a one-day procedure only. So, what are you waiting for? Call us at this number and book for your free consultation with us. Always remember, GLOJAS brings out the best in you.